Is it the Christmas tree that's going to light up?
Yeah,
Oh,
and then
right.
this one.
Oh, okay.
But the thing is, the Christmas tree this time is very small.
Yeah, I know.
They used to be big.
I know.
Oh, you can get a piece of.
Yeah, free.
Oh well.
Is it?
And if you
Where is Simon? Where is Simon?
Saan ba? Dito, Nes, tayo dalawa. Maliwanag dito, Nes. Maliwanag,
Saan? Para makita yung mukha.
Ulit tayo.
Ulit.
Ito, ayan, madilim ako sa sige. Pero maganda siya eh.
Maganda man siya pag ano.
Siya, oh.
Old. Come on in, churches. My God, there's a heating. Oh, that's good. Are you having a cup of tea? Oh, it's free.
Ha? Free? Pabili yan, bibili.
Walang libre ngayong dayak.
Share lang sa ano, sa cup of tea.
Hi ate, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. It's very nice.
Kita pa naman yung file.
Oh, basa, basa.
Oh, look at this. Baptismal. Oh, it's very nice kaya. Ha? Alambre? Do they have a mass here?
Ito yung nabuhay after nung ano, kay Noah. Ano ang story?
Eh, no,
The Holy Spirit.
you can't see it. You can't read.
So I should have put a bit more light, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ang ngit-ngit. Ang dilim.
Ay, maganda ang portrait. Maganda. Portrait.
Madali pa yan. Half body na lang. At least, madilim naman talaga.
Pero maganda. Kahit madilim.
Meron siyang
Maganda.
story.
Maroon siyang story.